This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting access and clearing the basics fast. Install the Tap and Earn app, grant permission for notifications and storage so tasks run smoothly. Once installed, create your account and verify with the OTP. This confirms identity and unlocks offers. Make sure to add and verify your payout method now, because tasks credit faster when a withdrawal path exists. These steps let you begin earning immediately and prevent holdups later when cashing out. Now you focus on completing tasks efficiently. Start with high ROI offers like surveys and timed app installs because they deliver larger credits per minute. Follow each task's exact steps and submit required proof such as screenshots or codes. Once done on one task, move to the next in the app's queue to leverage streak bonuses. Also, make sure your connection is stable and the app remains active. Interruptions can void completion and delay payouts, so finish by withdrawing your earnings and resolving any issues. When you hit the payout threshold, request a cash out and choose the fastest verified method. Payouts usually take 24-72 hours. If a task doesn't credit, file a dispute immediately with clear proof, include timestamps, screenshots, and the offer ID. This accelerates review. Finally, keep a simple record of transactions and app version for support. These small habits cut response time and prevent repeated problems in future sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.